The Supreme Court is now preparing to review former President Donald Trump's explosive order targeting birthright citizenship, escalating tension across a nation already weighed down by political division and emotional exhaustion. What began as a legal dispute has now transformed into a moment of national reckoning, with millions of families staring at a future clouded by fear, uncertainty, and the terrifying possibility that a fundamental constitutional protection could be stripped away with a single ruling. Across America, parents hold their children closer, knowing that the question before the court could determine whether a newborn's first breath on U.S. soil still guarantees the rights and dignity once considered unshakable under the 14th Amendment. Immigrant communities, long accustomed to living in the shadows, now find themselves confronting a storm far greater than bureaucracy or policy, a direct threat to identity, belonging, and the fragile security they fought to build. Lawyers, activists, and scholars warn that the stakes have never been higher, calling this review one of the most consequential constitutional tests since the Reconstruction era, a test that could redefine what it means to be American. Meanwhile, supporters of the order intensify their calls for tougher restrictions, fueling a political fire that burns hotter with each passing hour, leaving the nation trapped between hope and dread. In streets, homes, churches, and waiting rooms, the emotional weight is suffocating. People describe sleepless nights, trembling anxiety, and a chilling sense that history is shifting beneath their feet. And as the Supreme Court signals its readiness to step into the storm, the air grows heavier, the silence deeper, and the country stands on the edge of a decision that could tear open wounds far older than the debate itself, leaving millions bracing as the hours